Hi guys, this is Shrish, register number UR14CS072. This is my first experiment in System Software and Compiler Lab. So the topic we are going to cover today is token separation. So the questions we are going to cover today is write a program to perform token separation for a given subset of language. Write a program to count the tokens in the given source of program. So now let's get to the program. So this is the program I did. What I did is mm, what the program which I did is it separates the token that are being entered and categorize them as keywords, numbers, identifiers, operators, and punctuators. So what I'm basically doing here is first, whatever the word that is entered gets stored in the array code, and over here you can see I created a string, a temporary string which I'll be using later on. Now what I'm doing here is for each element of the array, I'm checking each one of the words. I'm separating it using caret. So it will run till the length of that particular element and it gets stored at C. So if the element is either letter or a digit, the word, the particular letter gets added to the string. So it keeps on adding till it encounters a space or anything of that sort. Mm, so when the word is formed over here, or when a space is detected, the else part of it gets run. So as you can see over here, a function is called check string, and with a variable b. So when the variable b goes over there, that is the temporary string, it checks if the string is equals to if, int, short, float, and byte as I given over here. If these are few examples of keywords, so if they get matched, then it will be printing the particular string as a keyword. Or else, if none of these gets matched, it checks if the it is a digit. So if the particular word is a word that is formed by a string B is a digit, then it will be printing the string as a number. Or else, if it is just say a variable or something like that which doesn't satisfy both these conditions, it will be printing that as an identifier. Now, what as you can see over here, I'm not just calling one function over here, I'm calling another function called check function, and I'm passing each letter of the word, that is each character of the word. Why I'm doing this is for identifying operators and punctuators. Similar to the previous function, C is passed and just check with plus, minus, multiplication, division, or equal to. These are operators, so if any of these matches, then it will be printing the particular character which we are passed is a operator. Or else if it is a comma or a semicolon, it will be printing it as a punctuator. So that's how the tokens are separated and a program is run. So let's try a program now. So I'm running. As I told before, it's asking the total number of lines for the program. So let me enter 3. So now it's asking to enter the program. So let's type int a comma b. Let's just make it int a is equal to 5. Next, you can see I'll type another one, float b and char c. Now you can see over here, int is a keyword, and A is the identifier, equal to is operator, phi is a number, and comma semicolon is a punctuator. These are separate tokens of this particular line. Similarly, for these two lines also you can see right here that the tokens are separated fully and the respective token is being displayed. So
That brings us to the end of this experiment. Thank you for watching.